In this particular video, I'll be sharing with you how you can make lots and lots of money with Pi. I tell you, you don't need to mine Pi, or you don't need to be a Pi loader or a pioneer. But with this particular strategy, you'll be able to get tons and tons of money depending on your hard work, how you'll be able to do it. And I tell you, the second strategy is just the best. So that means you need to watch this particular video to then so that you'll be able to get the strategy which I'm about to share with you. So the first one, let me show you how to get lots and lots of money with Pi. The first one will be trading Pi, and the other one is not actually trading, but another method which is actually available to everyone in all the countries of the world. It is not restricted. So let me show you the first one. So the first one is through the Pi Arbitrage. I share you with you. If you haven't watched my previous video, I'll be dropping the link in the description of this particular video. So you need to actually subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell notification so that you get notified anytime we upload any other new video. So in that particular video, I share with you with $120, how I was able to make $520 just within a day trading Pi. So if you haven't watched it, please kindly watch it so that you can use that particular method. So this is the continuation of that particular video. So let me be showing you another particular method, which it is called the Pi Arbitrage. So the first thing is that I'll be dropping the link to the particular website. It's called. So you have to come to your coin market cap here. So what is arbitrary trading? Arbitrary trading is just a discrepancy in price within a particular exchange. Meaning, let me start an example. Maybe let's say currently Bitcoin is being sold at 86,000 USDT on Biget. And when you go to Binance, you are seeing that it is trading at 87. So the discrepancy is around $1,000. So you can easily buy from Biget and just send to buy now so that you could sell. So one thing, the major reason why we need coin market cap is that you on coin market cap you'll be able to see all the extent that Pi is currently listed, and you could see that we have around 1 to 10 exchanges. Let's go to the second phase. If there's other exchanges, there are more, but we'll be dealing with the first exchanges here. So what you need to you need to be very vigilant and just be very observant to watch anytime that the arbitrage actually makes itself available. And the first thing you need to look at is Pi to USDT pair. So now you could see that this is the price here. So this the price here. And one of those things I see is that Pi is having one of the token that has the lowest or the cheapest transaction fee. So you could see the price here on Nokia is around 2.62, on Bigger is around 2.61. You get it now. On Mex is around 2.61, on Gate.io 2.61. So there's not much here actually, but there are some times which you could see the arbitrage opportunity. I've tried this, which you could see the arbitrage opportunity could be around $1. So with $1,000 trading from one particular exchange to another exchange, I tell you, you'll be making around 200, 500, or 800, depending on your trading capital, by leveraging on that particular $1 difference. That's why it is called arbitrage. It could be between two exchanges like OKS and Bigget. So this is just the first strategy. Let me show you the second strategy. This second strategy is an opportunity that Bigget himself platform has actually opened that is available. So when you come to your Bigget, if you don't have it, I'll be dropping my link so that you could join and do your KYC, because this one you have to complete it. You can see refer. Let me tap on it. This is the opportunity I'm talking about. So you allow it to load. You can see here they say Bigget Pi Ambassador Carnival. Refer the Pi Pioneer and earn up to 500 USDT worth of Pi. So yeah, you need to actually refer those that mine the Pi so that they could deposit it to their using Bigget, and you'll be able to make around from 500 USDT, which I see is a lot of money. And you can see the promotion offers now. We have 22 days, 5 hours, 29 minutes, and some seconds. So you need to just do this ASAP. So the first thing you need to do is to tap on join. You have to tap on the join so that you could join. And one other thing is that you have to read the terms and the rules. So invite friends a month. 1 to 5 friends will be able to make $2 worth of Pi token. 5 to 10 friends that deposit will be able to make $3 of Pi token. 11 5 token. 31 to 50 friends you'll be able to make $8, and more than 50 will be able to make $10 worth of Pi token. So your friends must become a valid referrals. Valid referral must deposit 500. So this one of the catch, they must deposit around 500. Now I've seen a lot of people who make tons and tons of Pi during, because Pi was around 6 years, more than 6 years that people so some people were able to mine huge amount of Pi. So how to qualify to Biget in website? So you have to click on here, the referral program, how to verify your friend on Biget app. So these are some of the guide. So the mainnet migration checklist sequence. Number one, the individual and you likewise has to download Pi browser, create and verify Pi wallet. You have to back up your trusted phrase, confirm wallet ownership, set lockup parameter, lockup percentage 25 to 100 and duration 2 weeks. Then you have to unlock the boss, allow unlock. You have to submit your KYC and license, wait for KYC approval, initiate mainnet migration. These are the ones that you must have completed on your Pi website. Post mainnet migration token can be withdrawn to SEX. So on your biggest SA now, biggest pool X is listing Pi network, lock Pi to get. So these are the conditions now. The previous one is on the Pi app. So this one is on the Biget. So the first criteria for the Biget, the campaign is only open for users in, you could see now, this particular one is not for everyone, only for users in Canada, Australia, ACH, French, Italian, Sweden and Poland and other European countries. So if you are in this particular country, I tell you, this is a bigger opportunity for you. So the trial pile is around 20,000 USDC. First come, first serve. That's how you need to start ASAP. User must complete KYC verification to get reward. So you must have completed your KYC, API, broken user are not allowed to participate. Reward will be distributed within 10 business days after the end of the campaign. So after that, be able to get. So user who register with multiple accounts using the same IP address. So you just have to be careful. Don't use VPNs to create multiple accounts. Just be stick with one account. So Biget may disqualify user from participating in event if any violation of the rules or immoral behavior are detected. This is it. So if you need any more thing about this particular Biget Pi Ambassador Carnival program, please kindly comment in the comment section of this particular video, and also like, subscribe and click on the bell notification so that you get notified. Thank you. Bye bye for now, and God bless you.